Skrill money transfer, my honest review, and user experience. Is it worth it? Sending money internationally can be stressful, but Skrill promises fast, secure transfers. I used it extensively, and here's my honest review. Most people assume all money transfer services are similar, but the surprising truth is Skrill combines speed, low fees, and multiple payout options. Transfers can reach bank accounts, wallets, or even prepaid cards. Signing up was easy, with identity verification completed in minutes. Sending money abroad was straightforward. I entered the recipient's details, selected the currency, and confirmed the transaction. Transfers were often completed within hours, sometimes instantly depending on the country. Fees and exchange rates were competitive, especially compared to traditional banks. The app provides a clear summary of costs before confirming transfers, so there are no hidden charges. The downside? Some countries have higher fees and limits on daily transfers may apply. Customer support is available, but can be slow during peak periods. In conclusion, Skrill is reliable, fast, and user-friendly for international money transfers. For frequent senders or those looking for a simple digital solution, it's worth considering. The combination of speed, transparency, and flexibility makes it a strong option in 2025.